Hi, I'm Ron with Cruising This Old Boat, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the engine hour reading that your Chetco analog to digital converter sends via NMEA 2000 to your chart plotter. The other day, for some strange reason, the engine hour reading on my chart plotter just completely changed to something way out in left field. I only have a little over 3,000 hours on my engine. As you can see, this is showing over 53,000 hours. So I need to adjust that, and I'm going to show you how to do that. If you haven't already installed the VDash software on your computer, you need to do that first. If you've already installed it, then go ahead and open that program at this time. As you can see, it's completely blank because it's not connected to your Chetco at this point. Make sure that you have a USB cord connected from your computer to the Chetco control box, and once you've done that, go ahead and connect your computer to the Chetco electronically by clicking this button in the upper right corner. You see the button turns red, and if you look up here, you can see a time clock counting. That lets you know that you are connected. Next, you want to open the Preferences palette, which is this button on the lower right. And that brings up all the different things that you can adjust with the VDash software. You want to select NMEA tags, and here you can see the TAC 0 hour adjust and the TAC 1 hour adjust and TAC 2 hour adjust. So you can have up to 3 engines that it's tracking the hours on. I only have one engine, so the only thing I need to select is the TAC 0 hour adjust. Now, instead of the 53,000 hours that was shown on my chart plotter, what I need is 3,067 hours. So I'm going to change TAC 0 to 3,067 hours. Then you're going to select Reset. Then click this little disk looking icon, which saves the data you just entered. It will come up and ask if you want to save the display labels. Answer yes, and they have now been saved. Now at this point, nothing has changed on your chart plotter because you've only saved the information. You have not uploaded it to the Chetco to be placed on your NMEA 2000 bus. To upload the information, you want to select the box with the check mark in it. This brings up a list of different files that are contained within the software, and the one you just made a change to is the top one, the display labels file. So you want to select the box with the check mark in it to upload that file. It wants you to confirm, say yes, click OK, and at this point it should be uploaded to your chart plotter. And now you can see that the hour meter is correctly reading 3,067 hours on the engine. And that's all there is to it. To properly set the engine hours sent by the Chetco analog to digital converter via the NMEA 2000 bus to your chart plotter. Thanks for watching.